Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I have another exciting review for you. This is for your child's bedroom for a nightlight. If you are new to my channel, I do review all kinds of products, so hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and share it away. Today's product is by Amazafan. This is the box it comes in, pretty straightforward. It's nothing new and fancy. And then what all you get in the box, you get a nightlight instruction page, which you really don't need that. You're going to get the device, and you'll have two of these dinosaurs. There is a Raptor and a T-Rex. They come in this kind of plastic casing, and then you just kind of pull it out or rip it out like this. And then they come with these little plastic covers. They're a little hard to get off, so you want to peel those so that way it's nice and clear. So here is the T-Rex. In addition to the base unit, you get a USB charger cable, which you can plug this into the back, and it will plug it into a brick, which they do not include, so you'll need to have that, and you can keep it powered all the time. And then it also comes with a remote control. Now, the unit itself, on the back here is where you can plug it in. But if you don't and you want it portable, it does take 3 AA batteries, and then you're not tethered to an outlet. So you got options there. And then on the front, this is the sensor for the remote control. And then this is another power button if you wanted to turn it on the base unit. And you can see here's the slot with the LED lights. So let me show you what this looks like here. We'll drop in the Raptor, and there you go. You can see it has a cool look to it. And on the remote control, you can press it multiple times to dim it down, or you can make it bright. Obviously, you can turn it on and off from the remote control. And then it has a ton of colors here. I think there's 15 here. So plus white would be 16. So you got the red, the green, the blue, and then all the various colors in between, so you'll be sure to be able to find something your child loves. And then it's got some 4 preset modes. 2 of them are very similar to each other. So you have a flash, which just kind of does that. Then you have a fade, which just kind of slowly goes from color to color. Then there's a strobe effect, which is very similar to the flash. It's just a slightly different pattern. And then you've got smooth, which also once again is fading from color to color, which is very much like fade. So to me, you really have 2 motions. That's kind of one of my negative things about this is, 2 of these are basically the same thing. And that's kind of it. So it's, like I said, it's really cool. Let me show you what the T-Rex looks like here. My son loves this thing, and it makes a great night light. And because of the remote control, you can kind of keep this outside the kids' room, and then when they're asleep, you can easily just turn it off and turn it back on. Like I said, I'll include a link down below if you want to check it out on Amazon, see what other people are saying about the product. And then feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.